A love poem to Ted's. Ketchup is red, but fast food makes me blue. Ted's burgers are yummy and good for you too. The Blue Creek is my favorite. You might say I'm a fanatic. I could eat one every day. I'm not just being dramatic. I usually have the bison. It keeps my heart healthy. And the prices are reasonable, so I don't have to be wealthy. There is so much about Ted's that I love and adore. They have an eco-friendly approach. They just keep giving back more. I could go on and on, talking about great pickles and cool straws, but this fanatic is heading out for a burger. Ted's, you have my applause.